What if Pluto orbited Earth? What if the what if Pluto was slingshot? 8. Let's load the particles to this. The future of Earth. The history of Earth. The history of Earth. Not this black hole.
Para hindi mo maano yung kamay mo.
My phone's very laggy. My phone wasn't like this before. When I was recording.
Sama ikaw dun sama.
Bro, sorry.
Sama mo siya dahil.
Papasok na ako. Tama ka? Pasok ako school.
I'm sorry if it crashed. It crashed. Let's do it again. Like the speed.
Bye.
Let's try it.
Sino marunong nito?
Ako.
Snake and ladder.
Kami dalawa ni Moni.
Kaya laro tayo.
Ako marunong.
Laro tayo, maglaro.
Ayoko, Daddy. Sakit pa ako.
Sino mananalo sa akin?
Ako nga natalo si Moni.
Pag nanalo ka sa akin bukas, hindi ko nadadali sa cellphone mo, pero papasok ka dadali ka sa Mama Mercy, pag-uwi mo magagamit mo.
Paano
Pag
pagkatalo
nanalo
ako?
ka sa akin, pag
Pagkatalo
nanalo
ako.
ka, pera ba ko yan bukas?
Ayoko.
Game na.
Ayoko
Kailangan sumali.
mararo.
Sali sa game.
Masakit na nga pa ako eh. Sakit na nga pa ako. It was no chunk that it will crash in 1,000 years. So it's very laggy. And I'm using this record. And finally, it will crash. If this makes a moon, I wish this hits 1,000 subscribers. And I didn't. It means I won't get 1,000 subscribers. Wish me luck. Bro, why did it start moving? And let's make them orbit each other. And Pluto will orbit. Then, I don't know what.
Saguloy mo eh. Ano?
This is